Oh hi! Good day sa mga tropang mga makakatiyang paa. And when I say mga makakatiyang paa, these are the people who loves adventures, who loves traveling. And oh, by the way mga katropa, eto na naman po ang inyong tropang lakwadsero na si Dan. And welcome to another episode of my new travel adventure here on my channel. But before anything else mga katropa, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and hit that bell notification para sa mga susunod ko pang mga travel adventures here on my channel. So mga katropa, tara! Welcome back mga katropa, at dahil lockdown period pa rin ngayon in most part of the country, samahan niyo muna akong balikan ang aking latest travel adventure sa Siargao Island. But before anything else mga katropa, let's find out muna kung saan at paano mararating ang world-renowned island na to. So mga katropa, tara na!
Hello mga katropa, this is Siargao Island. It's a teardrop-shaped island na matatagpuan sa probinsya ng Surigao del Norte, na kung saan matatagpuan naman sa northern part ng Mindanao. Ang isla ng Siargao naman ay nahahati sa 9 na maliliit na bayan, at ito ay ang Burgos, Dapa, Del Carmen, General Luna, San Benito, Pilar, San Isidro, Santa Monica, and Socorro. And to reach Siargao from Manila mga katropa, one has to fly via Cebu or Davao through Cebu Pacific or Philippine Airlines, as there is no direct flight from Manila. Alternately, the Philippine Airlines offers a cheaper alternative if flying from Clark in Pampanga to Davao and from Davao to Siargao. The Clark via Davao route will usually save you around 1 to 2,000 pesos or as much as $50 if you go this route. The Siargao airstrip is in Del Carmen Municipality. It is 45 minutes to 1 hour drive away from the Siargao Islands beach and surf haven, the Cloud9, which is located in the municipality of General Luna. To reach General Luna from the airport, one has to take a shared passenger van for 300 pesos each. At mga katropa, pagdating naman sa matutuluyan sa Siargao, hindi ka mamumroblema dahil Siargao has a variety of resort hotels, glamping sites, and bed and breakfast accommodations na siguradong swak sa budget mo. In fact, mga katropa, you will find accommodation as low as 500 pesos a day, or that's around $10 to as high as 200,000 pesos or a whopping $4,000 a day. And for our first 2 nights accommodation, we decided to stay at this pristine resort called Isla Cabana. This property has room accommodation starting from 7,000 pesos only. But since it's my first time here in the island, I chose to book at their premier luxury beachfront villas, which has a tag price of 25,000 pesos per night. The beachfront villa that we stayed mga katropa has a beachfront that offers the best sunrise and sunset views. The cottage has an elegant interior design, fully equipped with impeccable furnitures, complete with indoor and outdoor showers, a spacious lanai, and a mini pool. Staying in the luxurious Naked Island Cabana should definitely be part of your bucket list in Siargao. And for our 3rd and 4th day stay in the island mga katropa, we settled on this very cheap yet so comfy kubo-styled accommodation just across our first hotel. And mga katropa, this kubo has a daily rate starting from 1,000 pesos to 1,200 pesos for 4 persons already. Not that bad, right? And mga katropa, we just found this during our regular strolling around the area. So I would advise that if you want some little bit of adventure, do not pre-book your stay here in Siargao. Pagdating mo sa General Luna, just stroll around the tourism road and find the best accommodation that suits your taste and budget. However, for A-class resorts, it's best to book your stay prior to your arrival. And mga katropa, ang Siargao ay hindi lamang kilala bilang one of the world's famous surf destinations. Ito ay famous din sa mga naggagandahang lagoons and white sand beach resorts. So you will not run out of activities to explore here in the island. At mga katropa, you can explore the wonders of the main island and its lush panoramic landscapes. Most famous in the land tours is a visit to the Magpupungko Rock Pool. During low tides, these rock formations reveal a natural infinity pool which is perfect for leisurely swimming. The Magpupungko is about 40 minutes habal-habal or motorbike drive from General Luna. The entrance fee to this area is at 50 pesos or $1 per head. And traveling around the island is much easier and convenient if you rent a habal-habal or motorbike. And they would normally cost around 150 to 200 pesos per day, and you can do unlimited exploration of the whole of Siargao Island.
Next destination is the Sugba Lagoon. Within the lagoon is a 2-story docking area where you can stay and rent a table for only 50 pesos. The turquoise-colored waters of the lagoon seems to invite everyone to take a cool dive. And mga katropa, don't worry about having no equipment to do such activities dahil meron silang mga paddleboards, canoes, snorkeling gadgets na available on site for rent. The famous and Instagrammable diving platform in the lagoon is available for free use as well. The entrance fee to the area is charged for 50 pesos per head.
Next up mga katropa is the Maasin River. This river reminds me of a picturesque river scene in one of the Hollywood movies in the past. This Instagrammable river is definitely one to visit during your trip to Siargao. Siargao is also famous for having almost endless rows of coconut trees. These cocoa trees turn the island more Instagrammable due to its lush and green sceneries. On the way to Magpupungko or Del Carmen from General Luna, the travelers can pass by on this beautiful sea of coconut trees all over the vast fields. And mga katropa, while there are places you can visit by land tours, some of the best attractions of Siargao Island can be best toured via boat tour. These tours can be arranged through various channels such as online booking through Klook.com. Local hotels and hostels offer local island tour packages as well. And one can do a budget do-it-yourself island hopping by either joining a group of travelers or renting your own boat at the General Luna port, which is just walking distance from the tourism road. The basic island hopping you can get is the 3 island tours. This tour follows the 3 islands nearest to the General Luna, which is Guyam Island, Daku Island, and the Nikid Island. And mga katropa, you can do these tours in 2 ways, either a private boat or join a group tour. If you are in a group, you can go to the wharf and charter a private boat which costs between 1,500 to 2,000 pesos. This price is per boat but this does not include lunch. However, fresh fish are available at Daku Island to buy for lunch. And if you are traveling alone and you don't want to deal with finding a private boat, I recommend joining a group tour instead. Klook offers this kind of tour, or the hotel you are staying also offers this type of tour. And mga katropa, if you think that the 3 island tour is not enough for your trip and wanted to explore more of Siargao, you may want to add the Sohoton Cove at the Bocas Grande Island in your itinerary. Located in Socorro Municipality, this magnificent piece of nature consists of karst hills and islands that nestle breathtaking lagoons, beaches, and even caves. The crystal clear water of some lagoons has thriving stingless jellyfish, something tourists can swim and interact with. The Sohoton Cove plus 3 islands tour can be booked privately from 5,000 pesos to 7,000 per boat. However, if you are a solo traveler or a couple, you may want to book a group package for this tour to save some bucks in your pocket, which is available on Klook.com. And mga katropa, I strongly advise that before leaving General Luna to Bukas Grande, make sure to buy your own food at the General Luna Wharf and have this cooked at a minimal fee at the Sohoton Cove. The prices of food sold at the Sohoton Cove is almost doubled from what you can purchase at the General Luna Wharf, and mostly limited choices as well. And for more information on the Siargao Island tour packages and deals, please go to www.klook.com and find the package that suits your schedule and budget.